Good morning to all of my young gardeners. This is Susu, and I'm out in the vegetable garden this morning. In the spring, I planted 4 cucumber plants, and we have so far gotten about 30 cucumbers from just those 4 plants. And as you can see, the vines have stretched all the way from one end of this side of the garden to the other. They've really enjoyed this wet spring and summer. Cucumbers are in the cucurbit family. That's a fun word to say, cucurbit. There are other vegetables that are in the cucurbit family, and they include squash, zucchini, watermelon, and pumpkins are in the cucurbit family. It's also called the gourd family, but that's not as much fun to say. Cucumbers have both male and female flowers, just like the squash that we talked about the other day. Now, cucumbers have a much smaller flower. This is only about 2 inches wide. But this is a male flower, and you can see the stamen in the center of this flower. It's much smaller and a little harder to see than on the squash, but it is a male flower, and you can see how the base of this flower looks compared to what the female flower looks like, which is right over here. You can see the female flower has a small unfertilized cucumber at the base of the flower, and it's prickly. You can see the little prickles on the edge of it, the little bumps. The female flower has the pistil in the center of the flower. And hopefully today the bees will come and visit the male flower and get pollen on its body and come over here and spread the pollen on top of the stigma, which is the top part of the pistil. And then the cucumber will be fertilized, and it will grow into a large cucumber. And we have a couple that are over here that are ready to pick. They're a good size. It's probably about 6 inches long, and they're filled out and firm, and you can see the bumps are still on the cucumber, and they've got little prickly spines on the edge. This particular cucumber has a sweet flavor, just not real sweet like fruit, but just a little bit of sweetness. And I really like that because a lot of times cucumbers will have a bitter peel, and I like to eat the peel of a cucumber, but when it's bitter, you have to peel that off. So these have been really nice. There's been no bitterness, very little sweet flavor. So there you have it in Susu's garden. We're always learning. Over and out. Love you.